Hi there! Here's Honor's newest offering, the X9B. Now this is a very polarizing device. There are some things that I absolutely love, while some things I wish they were a little different. I've been using this phone for over 2 weeks. I'll share my experiences, what I liked, what I didn't, so you can decide we should buy the Honor X9B or not. Let's begin. So we'll start with a quick unboxing experience. Simple clean box with the image of the phone. Right on the top is the phone itself. Then inside here is some paperwork, a SIM ejector pin, a TPU transparent cover, a USB-C charging cable, wired earphones, wow that's new, and a USB-C dongle. Now as you can see, there is space for a charger, but it's not included in the box. But hang on, Honor is providing a 30-watt charger separately, so you don't have to worry. Now let's start with the good stuff. The Honor X9B comes with a mammoth 5800 mAh battery, which would easily last me a day and a half to sometimes even 2 with light use. It supports up to 35-watt wired charging, but since Honor is providing a 30-watt charger, it takes little over an hour to fully charge. Now here, I really wish it came with at least 67-watt charging because it's kind of an industry norm in this price segment. But what made my jaw drop is the design. The phone is only 7.98 mm thin and weighs 185 grams. Most phones with 5000 mAh battery are also heavier and thicker than this. The weight distribution on this is just amazing. Excellent job by Honor. Now we have the black variant, matte finish, so no fingerprint or smudges at all. Looks so clean. Also love the camera module. Very bold with the golden rim on the edge. It houses a 108 megapixel primary camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro. At the bottom is a single down-firing speaker, USB-C port, microphone and a SIM tray that can house dual nano SIM cards. Sadly, no support for micro SD card expansion, so preferably pick the higher storage variant. Someone from my team is telling me we have only 256 GB storage variant, there's no other variant, so you don't have to worry. Now a lot of people have also done drop test with this phone, claiming it's very strong. Honor also has received a 5-star drop resistance certification from Switzerland SGS, which is good. But I'm not going to do that because surely you guys have seen enough people dropping this phone. I'd still say, use a case and do not get carried away. Coming to the display. So we get a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a resolution of 2652 by 1220 pixels. Everything is super crisp and detailed. Check out the clarity. Color reproduction is excellent, vibrant, punchy with pitch perfect blacks. 120Hz refresh rate provides a super smooth user experience. It's really well optimized and everything flows like silk. Especially fun when you're browsing on a website. Then the in-display fingerprint scanner works really well. It's snappy and responsive. As always, I wish it was placed a little higher, but anyway, I think I'm getting used to it. Then we see a punch hole notch housing a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Honor claims 1200 nits of peak brightness and we briefly tested it outdoors. It was really colorful and bright. Very clear as you can see. Then watching movies and TV shows is super impressive on this phone. Goes edge to edge and looks spectacular. Apps like Netflix and Prime Videos support full resolution. But for some reason, we didn't see HDR support, even though the colors and brightness are very impressive. Then we also played 4K YouTube videos. Again, they look extremely good and played at full 4K without any lag or stutter. But HDR support is missing here too. Coming to the audio. So the Honor X9B comes with a single down-firing speaker. Time for a quick demo.
Invisible. What?
How are you doing that?
I have no idea.
You should not be able to do that.
This feels amazing.
Honor has got a lot of things right on this one. It comes with active noise cancellation, then you get 10 mm drivers, it also comes with app support, 35 hours of battery life and still more. Alright, so the audio gets quite loud. Surprisingly, it also is quite clear for a single down-firing speaker. The vocals are crisp and the music sounds really good. Yes, I do miss the dual stereo speakers, but it's not as big as a deal as I thought it would be. Also, good to know that Honor is providing wired earphones in the box, and that's a big thing. Trust me, they sound also pretty good, perfect for watching movies or while playing games. Coming to the OS. So it's running Android 13 over Magic OS 7.2. I surely miss that it doesn't come with Android 14 out of the box, but yes, Honor has optimized their interface really well. In the past 10 days, not even a hint of lag or stutter. Special mention, barely any pre-installed apps, and the few that you can see can be deleted if needed. Coming to the performance. So it's powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor. It's a good mid-range 5G chipset. Yes, it supports 5G, and 5G will work across all network providers in India. In my experience from the past few days, it did a really good job in handling all my basic apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, and my emails. Now the variant we have came with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM with support for virtual RAM expansion of 8GB, giving you a total of 16GB RAM. Apps launched super fast, multitasking was such a breeze, and thanks to sufficient RAM on board, most recently used apps were still in memory and launched instantly. We ran the Antutu benchmark and it scored 4,84,000. Then we get 256GB storage with storage type UFS 3.1. We ran the speed test for that as well and it scored 2032 MB read and 1948 MB write. Very impressive. When it comes to gaming, we played everyone's favorite BGMI. Firstly, there is a gaming manager which you can slide from the side. You can switch to gaming mode, which helps enhance the gaming experience. Then there are shortcuts for DND, mistouch prevention, screenshot, screen recording, and more. Let's talk about the experience. In one word, impressive. We got 45 FPS and barely noticed any drop frames. The device did heat up a little, but not to the extent of getting uncomfortable. Totally playable. When it comes to casual gaming, the Honor X9B can handle it pretty well. Coming to the camera. Well, here are some pictures taken with the rear 108 megapixel camera. They're bright, they're clear, they're crisp, and so much of detail. Impressive dynamic range with super blue skies. Then here are some 5 megapixel ultra wide shots, also pretty good. Then here's a 4K video shot handheld from the rear camera. As you can see, it's quite stable and captures good amount of detail. Then here are some selfies taken with the front 16 megapixel sensor, natural skin tones, they're bright, they're clear and detailed. Then here are some portrait shots. Check out these images with sun at the back. They look so good. Also, impressive edge detection for the subject. So here's a video recording from the 16 megapixel front camera, and this is a full HD 30 fps video. Sadly, there's no 4K video recording support here, but I still think that the quality is pretty good. Also, the audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of this phone. Alright, final thoughts. So the Honor X9B is not perfect, but what Honor does is provide an excellent user experience. The display is just amazing, but lacks HDR. The audio fidelity is superb, but just a single down-firing speaker. We get a huge 5800 mAh battery, but just a 30-watt charger. The good thing is neither of these are deal breakers because you're going to love every minute of using this phone. Also, let's not forget, having a sturdy, almost unbreakable phone is a huge pro that no one else even comes close to. The Honor X9B is available in black and sunrise orange, which comes with a vegan leather finish on the back. Also something you can consider. It's priced at 25,999, but with ICICI card offer, you get a flat 3,000 off, bringing the price to 22,999. You can buy it from Amazon.in. I'll share the links for both in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.